For centuries, roses have been admired for their beauty and fragrance. They have also been valued for their medicinal and culinary uses. Rose tea, in particular, has a long and fascinating history. Rose tea is believed to have originated in China, where roses were first cultivated. During the Han Dynasty, rose tea was a popular beverage among the imperial court. From China, rose tea spread to other parts of Asia, and eventually to Europe. In Europe, rose tea became popular during the Victorian era. Ladies and gentlemen enjoyed rose tea in the afternoon, often with a splash of milk and sugar. Today, rose tea is enjoyed by people all over the world. It is a delicious and refreshing beverage that offers a range of health benefits. Many different types of roses can be used to make tea. Some of the most popular varieties include the apothecary rose, or Rosa gallica officinalis, is a beautiful deep pink rose with a strong traditional rose scent. It has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. This one is a must for your garden. The damask rose, or Rosa damascena, is a fragrant pink rose that is native to the Middle East. It is often used to make rose oil and rose water. The damask rose is very easy to grow. The French rose, or Rosa gallica, is a fragrant pink rose that is native to southern Europe. It has been cultivated for centuries for its essential oil, which is used in perfumes and cosmetics. The French rose is a showstopper. The cabbage rose, or Rosa centifolia, is a beautiful, full-petaled pink rose that is native to the Caucasus. It is often used in perfumes and cosmetics. The cabbage rose tends to grow very large. The dog rose, or Rosa canina, is a wild rose that is native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa. It has a delicate, sweet flavor and is often used to make rose hips, which are a good source of vitamin C. The dog rose is very hardy and disease-resistant. Roses are relatively easy to grow, but there are a few things you can do to ensure that your roses thrive. Here are a few tips for growing healthy, beautiful roses. Choose the right location. Roses need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. They also need well-drained soil. Plant your roses properly. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball of your rose bush. Gently place the root ball in the hole and backfill with soil. Water your roses well. Fertilize your roses regularly. Roses are heavy feeders and need to be fertilized every few weeks. Use a fertilizer that is specifically designed for roses. Prune your roses regularly. Pruning helps to keep your roses healthy and encourages new growth. Prune your roses in the late winter or early spring. Rose tea offers a number of health benefits. It is a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect your cells from damage. Rose tea can also help to boost your immune system, soothe your digestive system, and reduce stress and anxiety. The apothecary. Rose is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The damask rose is known for its calming and relaxing properties. The French rose is known for its ability to boost the immune system. The cabbage rose is known for its ability to soothe the digestive system. The dog rose is known for its high vitamin C content. Growing your own roses for tea is a rewarding experience. Not only will you be able to enjoy the beauty and fragrance of your roses, but you will also be able to enjoy the health benefits of drinking rose tea.